Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 23rd, 2021. Let's start with international news. Expo 2020 Dubai. Let's see what is Dubai Expo 2020. It is a universal exhibition that will held in the United Arab Emirates from 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022. The first of its kind to be held in an Arab country. Let's see what the purpose of this exhibition. The Expo 2020 aims to increase awareness about challenges faced by humanity on the global scale. It is the world's largest meeting place and offers many opportunities such as networking and promoting international relationship. Let's see in detail. The Italian Pavilion for Expo 2020 Dubai will use architecture for a creative and innovative presentation of beauty that connects people, an unforgettable experience that presents new educational, professional, and business opportunities, building system and technologies for sustainability, circular economy, and digital architecture. Foster cooperation, participation, and development through cultural scientific diplomacy. A 3D printed Michelangelo's David statue will be sent away for the Dubai World Expo 2020 Florence, Italy. Joe Biden hosts Global Climate Change Summit on Earth Day. US America President Joe Biden hosts Global Climate Change Summit on Earth Day. US President Joe Biden hosted a virtual summit of world leaders which coincide with Earth Day to address the global climate crisis. Joe Biden committed the US to reducing its greenhouse gas emission by 50% to 52% below its 2005 emission level by 2030. President Biden today kicked off a virtual climate summit attended by 40 other world leaders by announcing an ambitious cut in greenhouse gases emission as he looked to put the US back at the center of the global effort to address the climate crisis and curb carbon emissions. Vani Gupta, the US first Indian American Associate Attorney General. US President Joe Biden, who nominated Gupta as Associate Attorney General, described the Indian American as one of the most respected civil rights lawyers in America. When the United States Senate voted to confirm her as Associate Attorney General, making her the first Indian American to serve as a US Justice Department's third highest ranking official. Russia to revisit moon after 45 years. Russian space agency Roscosmos is set with a mission to launch its spacecraft Luna 25 on October 1st, 2021 towards the icy south pole of the moon. After 45 years since their last landing on the moon, Russian scientists are taking up the project to study the water beneath the surface at the south pole of the moon. The last spacecraft, Luna 24, was launched in August 1976 by the Soviet Union. During a virtual presentation by the National Academy of Science on March 23, 2021, the Russian Space Research Institute highlighted that the moon is going to be the center of its program for the next decades. India Kyrgyzstan Special Force start two-week counter-terror drills. The Special Force of India and Kyrgyzstan has started a two-week military exercise in Bishkek with a focus on the counter-terror drill. The exercise named Kanjar was inaugurated on Friday at the Special Forces Brigades of National Guard of Kyrgyz Republic in Bishkek. It was capital of Kyrgyzstan. It is the 8th edition of the India-Kyrgyz Joint Special Force exercise, initiated first in 2011. The two-week-long exercise focuses on high-altitude mountain and counter-extremism. National news. World Press Freedom Index 2021. India ranked 142nd in the index. Total countries were 180. India was at the same position in 2020 as well. Norway topped the index, followed by Finland and Denmark. This report was published by Reporters Without Borders. It is a non-profit organization. India Bar Council head from Tamil Nadu. Senior Advocate S. Prabhakaran, elected as a Vice Chairman of Bar Council of India. Prabhakaran was elected unopposed since there was no other nomination for the post. He is also the President of Tamil Nadu Bar Association. Prabhakaran represents the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry at BCI. Chennai teen Arjun is India's 68th Grandmaster. India got its 68th Grandmaster, where Arjun Kalyan, an 18-year-old from Chennai, achieved the 2500 ELO rating mark after he beat Dragan Kosek of Montenegro in the 5th round of the GM round robin. Ruzna Zora 3. It's a chess tournament name held in Serbia. Let's see who is the 67th chess Grandmaster in India. His name Leon Mendorca. By winning the third and final norms at the tournament in Italy. Clevira, a supporting drug for mild to moderate COVID conditions. It fights against COVID. The Chennai-based pharma manufacturer Apex Laboratory Private Limited, it has received the approval for anti-drug Clevira as a supporting measures for mild to moderate condition of COVID. The company has received the approval from the Union Ministry of Ayush for Clevira is an additional supporting measures make its first of its kind approval in India through the various stages of scrutiny at CCRAS. It's a Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science. Clevira is a Ayurvedic medicine to treat moderate or mild condition of COVID patients. It recently got approved from Ministry of Ayush. Next, RBI set up Sudarshan Sen Committee to undertake a comprehensive review of the working of assets reconstruction companies in the financial sector ecosystem and recommend suitable measures for enabling them to meet the growing requirements. ARC is a specialized financial institution that buys the NPA called non-performing assets from banks and financial institutions. IWWAGE is partnering with DAY NRLM through Swayam. Over 60 million women mobilized to be part of one of the India's largest livelihood program, the Deen Dayal Annayodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Missions holds great promise for advancing women's socio-economic empowerment by organizing them into self-help groups and institution for a rural poor. Through Swayam scheme expansion, strengthening women's institution for agency and empowerment. This IWWAGE expansion initiative for what works to advance women and girl in the economy. This scheme is partnering with Deena Dayalan Annayodaya Yojana to provide technical assistance to support this strategy and institutionalize gender across the level of the mission. More specifically, the partnerships aims to strengthen capacity of staff at all levels in the NRLM through training to work on gender issues, redesigning the existing gender training curriculum used by State Rural Livelihood Mission, the initiative for what works to advance women and girl in the economy by lead. Sports news. Virat Kohli, the first player to score 6,000 runs. Virat Kohli became the first player in history to score 6,000 runs in IPL during Royal Challengers Bengaluru's 10-wicket win over Rajasthan Royals at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. followed by Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina and Shikhar Dhawan secured second and third place. Kitika Narwal win gold medal at Young Boxing World Championship. Indian boxers Kitika Narwal, Poonam Punia, Baby Narom Chanu and Vinika won gold medal for India at Young Boxing World Championship. Kitika Narwal defeated the Natalia Dominica by set 5-0 in the 48 kg category. Along with Narwal, 7 other Indian boxers were also in the gold medal round with their opponents in their weight categories. Important dates: International Girls in ICT Day celebrated this year on 22nd April. International Girls in ICT Day marked annually on the fourth Thursday in April. This year, International Girls in ICT Day is observed on 22nd April 2021. This International Day aims to inspire a global movement in increase the representation of girls and women in technology. Theme for this year: Connected World, Creating Bright Futures. Expected questions. Question number 1. When did the 2021 World Climate Summit begin? Answer: April 22. Question number 2. Who is to be appointed Associate Attorney General of the United States? Answer: Vanita Gupta. Question number 3. What is the name of the spacecraft that will be sent to Russia to reconsider the moon after 45 years? Answer: Luna 25. Question number 4. When was the Russia will launch Luna 25 to revisit the moon after 45 years? Answer: October 1st, 2021. Question number 5. When was the Luna 24 rocket launched? Answer: 1976. Question number 6. Which country launched the Luna 24 spacecraft? Answer: Soviet Union. Question number 7. India and Pakistan recently conducted joint special force military exercise under which name? Answer: Kanjar. Question number 8. Where India and Kyrgyzstan conducted the joint special force joint military exercise? Answer: Kyrgyzstan capital Bishkek. Question number 9. Which place India secured in the World Press Freedom Index? Answer: 142. Question number 10. Which company produced the list of countries most dangerous to journalists? Answer: Reporters Without Borders. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Indian Bar Council? Answer: Senior Advocate S. Prabhakaran from Tamil Nadu. Question number 12. Who is the 68th Grand Master of India? Answer: Arjun Kalyan. Question number 13. Who is the first Grand Master of India? Answer: Vishwanath Anand. Question number 14. Who is the 67th Grand Master of India? Answer: Leon Mandonka. Question number 15. Name the company has introduced Clavira coronavirus Ayurvedic tablet and syrup. Answer: Apex Laboratories Private Limited. Question number 16. When was International Girls in ICT was observed every year? Answer: April 22. Question number 17. What is the theme of International Day for Girls in ICT Expansion, Information and Telecommunication Technology for the year 2021? Answer: Connected Girls, Creating Bright Futures. Question number 18. Who holds the record being the first batsman who crossed 6,000 runs in IPL matches? Answer: Virat Kohli. Question number 19. Where the 2021 World Young Boxing Championship are taking place? Answer: Poland. Question number 20. Who won the gold medal in the women's 48 kg weight category at the 2021 World Young Boxing Championship? Answer: Indian player Kitika Narwal. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.